Good evening, students. Hope you all are well. I am your teacher, Rumki Pal from Aristotle Study Center. So, today we gonna learn something and I will teach you those things which are very important, okay? The month name and the day's name. And the last in the last part, I will teach you the important questions which are related to the calendar. Okay. So, watch the video till the end. Now see, what is this? The month name. Okay. How many months in a year? We know there are 12 months in a year. Here is the name. So, we have to learn the month name. So, read with me, okay? I will teach you the name. You have to read with me, okay? Read loudly with me. Month name. January. What is this? January. February. February. March. March. April. April. May. May. June. June. What is this? July. July. Okay. August. What is this? August. September. September. Okay. October. October. November. November. December. What is this? The last month? December. Okay. Again you read with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay? Good, very good. Now, we have to learn one thing, that is day's name. There are 7 days in a week. You can see the name. There are 7 days in a week. So, you have to read the day's name also. Read with me loudly. Sunday. What is this? Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. What is this? Thursday. Friday. What is this? Friday. Saturday. The last one is Saturday. Okay? Again you read. Sunday. Read with me. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Okay? So, you have to memorize this, okay? It is very important. You all read this properly at home. I will ask you in the next class. Now, you see some questions which are related to calendar. How many days in a year? There are 365 days in a year. Okay? How many days? There are 365 days. No? See the next question. How many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. How many months? 12 months. How many days in a leap year? There are 366 days in a leap year. Okay? Generally, in the normal month, there are 365 days, but in the leap year month, there are 366 days. Now, what is leap year? A leap year is a year containing an extra day. It has 366 days instead of the normal 365 days. That means the day which the year which containing 366 days, that is called leap year, and leap year occur every 4 years. Okay. Now see the next question. How many days in a week? That means already you learn how many days? There are 7 days, no? There are 7 days in a week. How many hours in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. How many hours? 24 hours. How many minutes in an hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay. How many minutes in an hour? 60 minutes. You have to know. How many seconds in a minute? In 1 minute, how many seconds? There are 60 seconds in a minute. Okay. Students, these are very, very important questions. You have to know. Okay. So, I will give you the question in WhatsApp group also. Please watch the video and learn this all. Thank you. No more today.